This week on Joe Reads the News.
Look who it is. But this week, I can confidently pronounce the name Murray Fife. E-R. Murray Fife says, "Curse you, Claude!" Full stop, period. It wasn't even an exclamation point. Does that mean this is muttering under your breath? Curse you, Claude! Or even more dramatic, curse you, Claude. There's a dramatic pause, even a pregnant pause. You've proven that you are too useful for research. I may have to break open the wallet. Murray Fife says, in his own words, and I'm only quoting his own words, that he is a cheap bastard. I think he just means to say he's cheap. I think his lineage and ancestry is intact, but that he's just cheap. Upgrade, keep chatting with Claude. You just hit your free message limit. Upgrade to Pro or Max to send more messages. You also get access to tools like research and web search, Claude code directly in your terminal, integration to Google Workspace, email, calendar, and docs. Do you get doctors? Oh, documents. My fault. Full access to the newest Claude models, including Opus. Yeah, you got to do the hook from over there. Just like in the old vaudeville days, you get the extended thinking for Clompex work. My work is Clompex today. ER. C, plans. Murray Fife is in the middle of some Faye-Roonial exchange rate exercise and ran out of Claudishness. Clodhopper? That's an obscure joke. I think it still works. Of course it works. I came up with it. What happens to all your jokes when you've attracted a mate in life, a lifelong mate? You don't have anywhere for your jokes to go. They're just useless. Hence the dad joke. I wonder what Bo Suizo would think about the fact that once he's attracted a mate in life, you have no more use for humor. Mostly, I guess you could also pull your human adult or growing children out of the doldrums of despair by humor. ER. Whoop whoop.